Enu niyo Kitara Girls nekuleterwa aba
Kawalega Resorts, Hoima, your adventure starts with us.
Hamunaba
Cubs Juice. Taste the refreshness from the sauce.
Let us respect our bosses.
Yes. When you are a boss, I will respecting our hands. Because you're supposed to have discipline.
Manyena kuyawo.
Emirimo itwabaire ntunihiranga abana babusikite bagikora. Bwire bunu bagikora. Biro bintu yakyaliho mulimo gwa mukazi obagwa omusaiji. Eira buli hali twatahira amahe. 13 years.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.
Tubatangirira abarozi baita ba Kitara TV. Mwebali muno kuba ni mukyali naitwe. Bojoka mutugondeze. Mwebale kutulikinga, mwebale kusubscribinga, mwebale kusharinga, mwebale nokugonza show ya itenu. Tubasimire muno, tubasimire kimu, mwebale muno. Vivi, Sunday gambirete.
Sunday nongi.
Osabire oba tosabire?
Osabire makusaba. Tamwara pastor so.
Nda saba wike kuija.
Nyonsabire ekintu kyokusaba ekintu kikuru manyiro bomezi noko tasabire.
Wike bayireta.
Wike bayire nungi tubayiremu na Women's Day.
Abaire mwaka sente.
Akasente kabayiremu abasajja bolekeze ngonzi. Abamama babe loved, you know Women's Day is all about celebrating omuntu owokwenda mama wabo akubereiro, you know. So anyway, nkubatangira show ya itenu. Of course, as usual, I am Vivi, CEO of Vivi's Collection and a Style Hub Salon. Nkubasima mwebale kutugonza, mwebale kutugonza, mwebale kusubscribinga, mwebale following show yaitu. Okay, manyi ale nabana following show yaitu.
Mwebale muno tubasimire.
Mutuolekeze love, comment says muzikipingeni zi flowing because nizo zikutuhe kiokora. Hati mumanyire kiro. Nyino mwana omugenyi waito undesere umanye nyo kandi bulisho nkuleta kantu kahiyaka. Kiasabiti kino mbalete omwana. Akasome ebitabu.
Okay.
Mama w'omuntu. Kandi mukazi mufumbo.
Okay, tegereza.
Kanda ina hanu nakasenta inamu.
Okay, tegereza.
Arugire all away from Bombo. Musirikale. Baya bagambira abakazi tebasoma bu PDF. Omwisiki atembere nyonya genzera rwaine. The one and only beautiful Nalongo. Afande Jaria, you're most welcome on our platform.
I'm happy to be here.
Okay.
Semerebe mnoku basanga Kitara Girls. Nanyonka bandoko nimba running ambaga bojaba nabo hakina nyoti banyeta. Nanyonje nage yakagambo nkanyowe.
Wale kutugonza.
Kyetegereza. Kengeri vivya bagambire amabara na iraka banyeta Jaria n'abatanzi. Nkolera Bombo General Headquarters.
Mukazi mukoto.
Dinalongo.
I know.
Maswara Nyakato. Kandi ndi mukyara muntu Mrs. BM8.
Okay, tegere. Ata bagamba basirikali tubaswerwa. Baina kimanya ngo nabasirikali.
Kimukando bonde mpete kuija.
Okay, tegereza. Ekintu ekyo tukiwulira omukamakiana.
Tegereza gomas to headye.
Tuli ready kujora gauni nokusamba gauni.
So I'm very happy to be here.
Our pleasure.
Tuseme nayo kuikiriza invitation yaitu no gihonoringa some of people will turn them down but iwe try platform waikiza gamba you guys I can come in regardless how busy you are. We are making a show ambo rugire Bombo waija. We are so humble to have you on our show.
Mwebale muno nanywe kunyeta.
Of course nkawulikyo chinao Cubs Juice akajuice akarungi muno bojenya hatauni hano.
I know.
Cubs Juice annually watermelon na mango bantu nyete
nkuhuramo bana
nkakatunda tundo
katunda ka beetroot ebintu bino byona kabza bikozere
kantu bakalanchingana na Cubs ice cream
last week,
recently.
yes. Saka ice cream karo.
So Balmaran town they do juice ushering, they do of course juice dispensing.
Okay.
So for any kinds of function of course, or you want to surprise your loved ones, banana smoky ene yubateka ne baba mukoto mwika.
Ijwezo mwana ka surprise.
Kila banyirukire nyonka ni manyo muliro gukwasi.
Ijwezo mwana ka surprising omusajja we akaba officer yatira Cubs akangamba can I get the number of this guy oranga karango juice. Namugamba guy Cubs ebintu byakubikora. Ijwezo agenda kwa na interest munyatira Cubs namugamba ukasoma kwenda delivery. Yatira Cubs yamugamba nkwenda ka delivery omusajja wange nkimanyale mu office bimuyikaliremu omusana gwingi atuwire ka esi kasakwata ku mumara akwenda kwegaza nyamuhe namba ya Cubs nkaba ndawo mojo na nterana ngamba mwana yo omusikina atanga mwana yo moja kanta kafunira gambira ofisi yone kabagayine
okay
so aka delivery kanu bakayijukize ngo nakaro
bakakolera kimu ka delivery around the town
yes even outside town
yeah oba kona juice ya type ki oba type ki so backups juice basanga 0781 43 84 66 oba ya Airtel 0704 15 32 30 muje mubahagire Chala Central Market aho.
Okay, hati nyowe nkabulikiro, it is Kabalega Resort, the main sponsors of this show. Nkabulikiro nkamukimanyire bulikiro mubene tukolera hoima. So kiyalero tukolera Kabalega Resort Masindi. Abana ba Masindi muri haki.
Tinkukamera mba nitakwenda kuimuka kiyalero.
Ono kumuimuka. Imuka nankaiwe imbya nkyabye nyamugamba imuka twinakora shit twizege kubyama.
Nakyanyumirwe kitabo.
Ya Kabalega Resort obusuka bukwera. Akata bukona kakuoro bugamba bya mina sponge. So Kabalega Resort Masindi tukwenda kubasima mutu welcomingire kurungi we came in last night but mutu welcomingire kurungi mwatufaho we actually appreciate for the care and love. Kabalega Resort, you guys are the best in a hotel. By the way, you are about Kimanyirembu, Kabalega, it is one of the best hotels in Unyoro.
In Uganda.
Bojo Kabalega, we slept in your rooms. These guys of Masindi, they have the best rooms. Busayo Toko, Busayo Biyenche. The environment is very okay.
Very demure.
You know. Kandi bali neat. You see how organized they are. Yes. I actually love Kabalega Resort, and I am not saying this because you guys are sponsoring us, but omuntu endo muhe credit where necessary. Yeah. Kabalega Resort, you're really doing the best in Bunyoro. So nkona kubajukiza abantu bahoyi mama Masindi, you guys need to visit Kabalega Resort and Masindi. Buying rooms, buying a spa, buying a pool, buying a parties, buying a big spaces for parties, buying a swimming pool. You can bring in your kids. You can come in for staycation. You can come in and chill. You have things stressing you. Come at Kabalega Resort.
Ani nyovu nkaikire gani nyarura hali bakora barbecue egyo balina kuonyeta.
Okay, tegereze. Kandi hano Masindi buli kyasabite ba live band. Saba Masindi.
Buli boko live band.
Aha. Era atikiya leo mulingo tukumara shenu. Tusigara aho twinagenda mu live band ekintu kiyenyini and hoima live band tugiteereyo buli first Sunday of the month. Yes, ekatanika last week, their last month. So this next month ya April, biro mukaga ogwakana.
Kando tebwa balina gym na aerobics.
Biona biroho.
Sauna kabu karungi muno.
Kandi kama fanyarazi tiba kuliteka mu nku.
Kabaniko ke.
Okakahura last time. Kandi boti bakulinda ngo manye nku ekyoto kyo bakizimire no. Anytime you feel like okwenda kuja Kabalega, amasanyarazi gakaraswi bakutera buta you enter and enjoy the spa section.
Ero kurora ne miti abatakwenda kubarora
bakakura. You know nyolero wewe hali tulira mamusa kutugeza tuli mukibira no tuli mukibira tuli ha emuha space ya Kabalega Resort kubole kyambu omusaija akakore kintu kiye. This guy is never compared, he is never challenged. Why not to give him your money? Why not to come at Kabalega Resort and chill? Anyways, do you want for bookings? Do you want to reach them out for any inquiry? Call them aba Masindo kubasanga 0392 0009 then 00. Abahoimo kubasanga 0393 19 38 60. Kabalega Resort na Masindi na Hoima. It is called a comfort zone for everyone. Ale no inaka plan.
So joezi ndaba mu comment section.
Okay.
Bojo bantu nye mwebale kutuhereze kyokubaza.
Abana bakwenda shenu.
Mwebale kutugonza.
Iwale na abana bakimanya bakwenda shenu.
Omwana kagamba bojo mbaze ha bintu bya employment bino.
Okay.
Abana tibaina chance oba abana bakunyoma emirimo timanyira abana kala bintu bya emirimo kya lero. Actually point ya yakagireta ati yeta titwina mirimo.
Habwaki emirimo ijure mu Uganda muno habwaki mutaina mirimo soko tuba hati nyowe to me ale niko babagambire ngo point yo kubazaho kiyalereri emirimo abana nyo mukunyoma emirimo timukwenda akora kandi this time around tukubaza mu isikio bamojo tukubaliza generally habuli muntu first of it is to me nyowe abanye buli muntu abana reasoning yaye abantu abamu arura for example omulimo like antwalembo nkasoma BBA that is procurement and logistics and nsangiro mulimo Kabalega gya empire mulimo gwa cleaning nindorambu nnyo kutandika kora cleaning Kabalega Resort kandi nyina BBA nyina kadiguri kange mu BB nanka business admin nga specializing mu procurement and logistics nindora Kabalega ekozereki enteire hansi you understand ati ningamba nyo santa koli akabalega ku cleaning abantu kibagenda kusanga ni cleaning akabalega kandi nyina degree yange you understand ningamba akanyikali but oyeberwe if you start with kabalega you're building up your CV you understand what is CV keep up rekyole kyambu inebyo experience your working experience ebyo ko zero you understand so nyowe to me I wouldn't turn an opportunity of being a cleaner at Kabalega Resort. I would give it an on or a yes. I go work at Kabalega Resort as a cleaner, regardless of my bachelor's. By two, I'm building my CV, and the second thing is I'm cleaning. Hey, hi Vivi. How are you? Like first and the second thing is I'm being exposed. I am looking at so many people. I am working with different people in a category. So what are you doing? Why are you being a cleaner? Did you go to school? I'm like, yeah. Do you have documents in ego? Okasomaki. Na nyo procurement and logistics. Okay. So can you pass me na email ye? Number you exchange contacts. You send your things to the email. Kurora your qualifications. You're now in a big office. Okay, you understand? Nakabalega yenyinesa kugeza negamba nalongo. Regardless you learned, you have your bachelor's. Katukugese to kurole how patient you are. You know, sometimes we employ workers into checking at their patience and how committed they are at work. Really, so the kabalega director na kugamba nkukuho mulimo, but I want to test your patience, your determination, and your hard work. Hati nyobo koleki, I am very determined. I can be a cleaner at Kabalega Resort regardless of my bachelor's. You are flexible in
kugamba wakuba na testing your capability
exactly.
So abantu abamba losing a patience.
Yes, and you find you're losing an opportunity. For 2 weeks I'm a cleaner, and the second week I am now working and until a position young according to the level of my education.
And abantu abambagira omuze ali cleaner aina degree director najana mugamba unaga hati nyowe nyina degree yanga hata kungamba.
Exactly.
Hata kungamba.
Okay, tegereza.
Bantu yakane kintekini let us respect our bosses.
Yes.
That thing
is so important.
Like for example, I'll give you an example. I worked with Kabalega
she was once there worker here at Kabalega.
2021 to 2022. But because of respecting my boss and that good image, the way I was treating myself,
your code of conduct.
Exactly. I am now here. I can go to Hoima. I can go to Masindi.
Feeling comfortable.
Exactly.
You understand?
So let us respect our bosses and our fellow colleagues. And of course, no. Like for example, manager. Kugamba respect.
Yes.
No sangato gunarandagiraki. Arandagirake bintu nkebyo. So let us keep let us keep a low profile.
Yes. And know where know your limits.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, nalonge yokibaza heki yeki.
Ani naiwe omukozi omuboss ina respecting omukozi.
Okay.
Omukozi ina bintu emwe bya kusakora.
Iyo bitakusakora.
It is true. Kubatogya kuijo cleaning. So when you are a boss can bakuhaire that take it
that respect.
Naiwe respecting abahansi. Baitu haro boss aja na tahanka hanu na ijanko mu office no ndo bana na ijanka director wa hanu no gamba bo jomusa jogo aragenda dihi no juza kutahansi emeza.
Obundi na kujumiramba customer bike
na kuswaza swazanga bakoli mukozi.
Ebintu bitagahikirire kurungi omuntu no mweta arubaji no mugambi. Abo kuba at the end of the day abakozi abo tukubantu kora ki.
No betaga.
Togenda mukichumbiro.
You know.
Supervising abakozi.
Yekolere emirimo yona.
Okyetegereze. So tuinakolera hamu.
So our boss when respecting abakozi.
Okay,
that's a good point.
Kandi to giving a room ya expanding. Viviano manyata abantu banu nyoti impanulirwa. Yadoine miaka 5 yadoine miaka 6 you still have to learn. Abakwere ebintu bya visa
learning doesn't stop. Learning doesn't stop.
Abanyoro bagamba no wozaire akuterere ngoma nokora.
No zina
so hatolo bwakuba kugambe but ogya kimugambo kutandika ota. Also matters. Abakwatagia kuba mukama wawo muleba ali mbantu tange kumugurukira. We okurora kino no. Yeno mbwire bwaebo businge obaina halaika liro mugambe boss you are doing this but kintu kiri kirungi. Okyetegereza.
Obanye na idea no neno.
So respect is the key to everything.
Okay, nyowe another
and the employees
okay. Nyo this the another point is to boss and a worker. Discipline. Engeso kintu kikuru bana inywe. because you're supposed to have discipline. I've seen so many people that have lost their jobs, that have failed to get jobs in big companies. They have good papers, they have masters, PhD, but tibaina Emirimo. Habakuba tibaina ngeso. Because you have books, you're not going to keep stepping you're not going to go in the office and step on your fellow workers. You know, you're learned, you have that thing. Engeso kintu kikuru. So whoever is there, omanyiro kasoma, ebitabo bina uwehe ngeso. Noba kubo somero taina ngeso. A bachelor's yawe, PhD yawe genda kufabusa.
Okay,
so this goes back to the worker. Newo kuboli mukozi, manyambo inengeso. Tosomere to inangeso. So hati manya munyora gamba alinde naku ya yakoraki.
Ayebundazi.
So newo kubo manyire to ina kitabu. Kabale gahano ndo huko serika abakuba director amanyire oba manager amanyire. Kankole kikanye buzabuze kandi nena kuyange.
Kandi hatabo no benda muno kuoleki ambu director amanyire na yenda yemere buli muntu wena hamutwe bulaka izire nyowe
kandi atuwe director tagenda kwatiba mukisa kubinga habo kuba company yayo affecting. If it is work, let it be work. So ati kuoleki ambu abakuba you at company, you are the business or an office, because the boss knows you're related somehow somewhere. Nguti kigenda kwaka na boss kubinga aja kubinga. So ekintu kiyengeso kintu kikuru muno tubene engeso.
Ati ni rugira natandika hati boss kumutwalira rugambo.
Yokietegereize.
Kali conclusion okurora eke kintu kyona kikwetorolera hano. Mukurora abasambi bompira. Buli muntu agire namba yayi akoraki.
Yasamba.
Oba kuba bali supposed kuba abantu 10 nombaka ba 10. Tibajja kole kibali supposed.
Kuturuka twasafuruke omulimo.
Omulimo tukujja kuturuka. So all in all itona tukwetaganga na kwatanga na mkono iwo kwatali Viviani ola kwate haloli mpaka ha director nikwe Emirimo esobole koraki
kulibasa ekintu
no mutazi wenduro muhagizi nawe
ataroho yes amupira kulibata is true.
So okay.
Me I have someone I call my role model on to be Emirimo binu. Actually when nyina any issue at work I first call her before making any decision. Actually munyekirize nsoke muramukeo, she's called Robina. This is a lady who went to work as an intern but came out as a manager. Tikuligamba abantu bakabata ku applying Emirimo, but because of discipline and
she was learned. I know Robina, she was in my OJ at St. Andrea. Akambo class, I think 4 or 3 classes ahead of me.
Yeah, so eke na keke anyege santingu because of discipline it can take you to another level.
Nyumba ini mbazao engeso kintu kikuru. There are people that are working in a big companies, they don't have documents but they have experience and discipline, you understand. Unomsanga in position in court but ina engeso. So discipline is so important mu bomezi bwensi buno. Itwe na tutwina ngeso baitu ohikano no sweka no gamba bugeso buno.
No bundara kakajanga karanyu amata.
Akajanga karakuharura kamani.
Engeri kabiyama
kagenda kuika kuharura onotekeza
kagenzeka kuhoira ontamanya ko kiniga kakira.
So muleke kunyoma Emirimo omazire oina PhD yawe omulimo gubuzire kwate kalayo genda muhando sike chips kana sike chapati
omuntu naja kusangira
gambo sobola kurugayo wenka because of that na nengeso so
yes.
Then the business grows.
Hati we advice ki magezi kigo ku homuntu atandikire business like abanasika chips a street akoseza ta of capital butitobo kuraya kura somewhere yayotandika outlet enkoto from a street to a shop. Which advice would you give us such a person?
Nyonka nyo Allen ya David naberege ni nyowe ekintu yokubanza revint ebimwe binyina kusoka kweganyira like luxury bokuba ine kintu kyo kuhambya Vivian no gamba kanyeganyire kinu niko mpike kuno kana be kuno muhanda mpike kuno for example kutaye mtwale 5 buli kilo chonko kwendo gende buli weekend mbaro spending mtwale 5
I know okulya magoba
abokuba kurora bali okulaba Vivian baika business bikati nyoni bon kutandika kwenda
competing
kwenda kolera pesi yange
kwenda kolera pesi yawe so nyoye kinyandi bayiningamba ntingu buli muntu wena first of all manyena kuyawe and the reason why you are town
the streets
and manya no mwanyu ntingu niwo kuliftinga family yo mwanyu nsonga yo
akubaniwe mutwe mukuru mwanyu
mutwe atenka nyo hano ninyo first born there is no way how ngena kubanyina opportunity nkegyo nkwate katugamele for example mwezi nkufune mitwaro 10 ngambe for example tingameni zo mfuna for example mitwaro 10
ozabaganizo ni bakusasura
for example nkufune mitwaro 10 kyonka nkwasire because mboine my friend akulala munjie emitwalo 30 hatina nyonge nempangise ya 20 kufune emitwalo 10
amakuru na kufuna emisale emyezi 2 ngosasura nti omwaka mwezi
okay tegereza
anda bana bo bwisiki baina competition nankaguzire gorugoye ona akozere gati tukuruga mu different family background
and we even have different capacities of earning
manyirali tukuzia iwo bya competing na Viviana ina business ibiri iwe to ina just town okulibata bulibata kyonko kwenda competing na Viviana
competition ege bantu inya bana bo bwisiki tugeganyire rubato muhanda gwawe nyongira belief Vivian ntingu arabire masindi na arabire hoy mabona bayika Kampala
yes
so
it
you
is
will
just a matter
also
of time and being determined
and being patient you will reach your destination slowly by slowly binte bimuntu byeganyira baisiki bantu nye binte bimuntu byeganyire aba youth let us be determined tutaruga hamuramwa leka tumanye binte bitukora
muneki eno Kitara girls haroho emirimo y'abantu bayini bagamba oba iwe yo bayiromanyire mbu y'abasajja bonka teri mu bakazi for example kusika chapati kuvuga basi kuvuga bitrailer mbaye ijwezi nkaba na Meya Brian Kaboyo yantwara kisike yetu kino haina Maranatha no jam kabalege ya hoimeme nkasanga omukazi navuga katapila nyagamba Nkaro mukazi omusikina ina mwinga kuvuga mweki katapina kimugenye gamba what
mali
nyagamba abana emirimo bakugikora etwa betu manyire mu myaka yeri ngemirimo ekolebwa abasajja bonka abana biro bine emirimo bagikora bakuvuga ebimotoka ebitrailer bakanika welding so no sanga emirimo etwa baire ntunihiranga abana babusikite bagikora bwire bunu bagikora take an example afandi twakatumanyira abasirikale ni bakazi bonka abamina abasajja abasirikale wahuraga omusirikale musajja wenka chonka twina abasirikale abakazi bamani mu Uganda munu omanye Museveni atwaye liberty look at an example afandi guest white wakiyalero she's a UPDF army soldier from Bombo headquarters like atugambira out of experience how do you encourage a girl child mbakusa kujoininga army na akakwate mundu akagenda ahera akarwanirira ihangali yayenka Uganda
biro bintu yakyaliho mulimo gwa mukazi obagwo musajja emirimo yona tugikora eira buli hali twatahira amahe abo kubanyoti ndi musirikale wa Rebaki 13 years ni army
can you imagine yes, I'm so proud of you this is so good
obunyarugiro muka mami wange nkamuleka nachura bo hakiaro ko bamanyire mbu busaho musirikale mukazi abayo ko kyonka baliyo baitwe batakusa kubarura obunyarugiro muka mami wange akabata kwenda ngende dadi atakwenda ngende ero bunyayikira kisaha ho nyabanza nyagarukayo muka she felt so bad
I know like any other parent
I was determined in the first place nkete kamwe kintu kyogamba I'm the head of the family wanyire bozarwa mu family etali kurungi munabana bazaire mu family eziko egonza baina sente so bozaliwa I had to take care of my younger brothers
siblings.
and my siblings so nyagamba tinyina kintu kyona kyokora kankole kikantama nkaiko mahe abante kibakutekeza tikini kyo kitaho mahoko bagenzi bange
kibasobole bakikenge niko harabali omwana omwisikia kwenda ku ataga ina fiegyo but na urana yegomba obusirikale apicking interest today
obusirikale tibuli bubi
okay
timukundole ngeli nkuzo
I know you may thinking okusana you know you look like slim mamas okusagamba kuisana the Kitara girls
binuga kahinduka
okay
kabawogala mahaga iragalaga mwabaire mmanyire baitu muzeya kahindura buli kimu kione kibona kahinduka we are there we are very actually nyobanyeta proud soldier
I know
I'm just proud of myself obunjwala uniform egyo mpura ningambaro Uganda nungihimbire ni manzani
actually next show ninakuparano ojwa uniform combat combat inagaruko kijwa next time I'm hosting you here
I look very smart leka binu byokurora guno mubiro guzimba zimbire buli nkabaka bate abantu baleke gaye emirimo amaheti gali gabi
okay
naitwe tuliyo we are very happy I encourage younger girls muhije tukole muleke kuikara kulere ngaro mugendo okwo mukwenda kunywa wine zezebei toyi mwina sente champanya biki baitu emirimo yone kolebwa nyomba gambire mazire myaka 13 mahe kunyirira baitu
in Uganda UPDF
actually atobu tubakunu abantu abakusinga tubamanyire mulimo gunkora I'm always with the people tunyumya tukoraki era nanye mukajya kunyinvitinga mukimaitinsa correctinsa kwe muzeyi obuyayizire abakazi akaba empowering yagamba buli muntu okusobora kukora omulimo gwona
Banzo simba kati. Kande ne show empowering the girl child, you understand?
Bine bitu agamba gamanya abakazi batandike n'okuvuga boda. Loro omukazi ali ha stage akuvuga boda so tinsa kuleka omukazi mugenzi wange musangira stage
ngatembo it is never. I need to support my fellow woman.
Yes. So bine bagamba amanya abakazi tibata mahe we are there abakazi abamaye tusweru.
I know. You are an example. You a wifey.
Kundora bwire bunu ndi mukoto but I'm just from maternity leave. You
yes,
can't even know ono mwisiko bata hagaza ile tiyo bali. Oyiro omuntu inakuba committed abakwenda kutaha maheba iji. Kuba welo kaminga abo kuba tukubetaga. Bila bino muzaye bintu akabihindra gender balance.
I know.
Bina bagamba
kama mutahama amahe inbox and we connect.
Wata mutahama he. Naita abakazi tutabuke buno.
Kwate mundu. So government empire opportunities inkozere mu unit sezi kwa hukana bwire buno ndi bombo nkagenda ho Mogadishu Nyagaruka it was I think back in 2018 nyagenda Equatorial Guinea Nyagaruka so
enyonyo zifaire motoka
kandi ati musirikale museveni akumwesiga kumusirika na he
waringa yatuhamani mbwa abakyara nikyo mukurora mbiro bintu bakateka ono kujaguza ekiro kya
women's day
actually shano mukubaye mugikwasire kya mukaga bo kwa kabakiro kya abakyara muzeyi akatuya mukichumbira
I know
nikyo mukurolera anti bwire bunu vice president manyaba speaker bona bakazi
prime ministers tuli bakazi
harulengo nirwo rumu leke kuikala kuna byo kugaba mukichumbiro manya bikozere bitamanya bigenzere
kuikala ni musindikibwa hasanso
kwa tuina kuikala naito tuli haiguru so abagama gamba abakazi tibajwara newe kinkozere
wakwegojwe uniform nkozere kubya fandi wakobero jwa ikomba tegi
nyewe busawa muntu andora onjere uniform akagamba mbu tinkwenda kutaha mai
I know I've always actually seen your status and by the way I've seen I think otoye muri campaign when you were supervising over you are very smart. I was like look at this girl she really looked very smart. Yes. I felt like I really admired you but then nyo viviting kusobora
no amahoga sobora busekita soboka na nyo bunyabana ngenda nkagenda kuiruka ye misindo inakubo inamu
kamanya kuja vivis collection ku balancing akuta
kano kamanyira kuja kabalega kubiya
uketegereza bintu binalendo kandi obimanyire
bine bagamba manyabiki okulora no boy come training school there is that sect of girls
okay
so we don't stay together
wait when you're doing training you guys you're separated you have privates for girls and the men have their privates wow this is so good
sigara mkiara na msajja sigara msaija batogenda kungamba mbati tugenda kora kinu ebintu ebimwero mukaza sigara aliki
so omukazi omani mukora training ekwawukana ne yabasaija
yeah, her training ni yemu, but when it reaches time mbati you have about to go and sleep.
Privacy, omukaza
ata fande kampa buzeo. Mwe mugenzere mukisakoko mugenda abakazi n'abasajja nywe na
mweta. Itwana tugenda hamwe muri motukora gumuka stoka ikirizoka raira maiso ga mzee mbunji akora inakora na bwire buno bakungamba.
Nyinga tukwenda Somalia
konga yuligo abakwani kuwo muri mogunyakozere
okura ya dobo bano rura movie no rura abakazi ni batere mu ndege bona ni batere migera like you feel
like women we are somewhere I mean we are recognized bona the days I go from Kichumbi
mu ndege mpura Uganda yo nangi
I know
nyawe ndi muntu ndi kuno civilian life kuno mwanyu mbondi sono bumpika kulimbondi abo kuba kulimulimo kandi mbanta inainywe
so ati nabantu kibasobole if it is work when you are at office you are not funded you are off work you're now this a wife a friend you know
nibyo biraro muntu yaemerere yampabuza ati jali yogenda kusoro msaije ogwa atali musirikalora amusobora of course my husband is not a soldier
abamba tekeza ntingu musaba
osa kumutera amasasi osa kumusamba hamuto because you are soldier and I know
yabagamba there is two jalias abamba
I know
ono bakuna mama wabana so nukomba tingjura muningire kankaha
kandi ebitini sabikanga bombo obo bamuka maika amanyambu nyino omanyangu maika alobaro iwe komba tizawe manyoka soma manyata itoza utembere zikanga bombo
inakora byo mukazi ali supposed ikora tongenda kutandika gamba mbundi musirikale no jano yemero musaija hamutwe
kuterage
kumuchomera iwe manyabiki no if you are a soldier obusirikale wabusigara kuli hamulimo so when you remove that combat no foka muntu wabulikiro nikyo mukurora mbati muzeyi akasika abasirikale basembere haino omuntu wabulikiro uteka hege enkoragana
abaida
unyowe kurora biro bino haroho aba omusivilian akuswera omusirikale na aswera civilian ekyo nikyo yarwaniraga
you actually even have friends like deputy RPC. I have friends as police, DPC. I have OCCID. Police, they are my friends because why? But these guys are not bad by the way. You guys aren't bad. You are only what I notice about you. You guys mubababi omuntu ayangire koreka inakora. Take an instance. Okozero musangalen.
Yeah.
Omuntu bakukweta that someone you like you go the police. Genda you explaining you know either mukenganga no baba kusibe baada wakateka ha mapapa this is when you get to know mujali ali musirikali
kibabandize kora amaheba kagata mu discipline nikyo kuroro omuntu asakuja na skoli na musikana mtunura kiyonka kimanyire nkusobora so bakabanza kutuiha mukiri bine wasanga abasirikale bali hakiaro bakweyole kyaba jwaire uniform you take time otakora musirikale atali adjuta jwaire uniform kozi wakateka mu discipline kandi babanza batuole kyamu ninye bakama baitu so hata wokuba mbantu bakuno oina kubanka abantu bakuno
I know
habo kuba at the end of it all togenda kufera mai
never
there is time for retirement.
True.
Nina garuka kunu nyina koragana na vivi obunda abanyayera byaga kubiha kyaro ngenda koragana no
kandi wala kuyanga
so hati nyina kuikara na abantu nkayinyi nyewe nkagenda bomo ko kuzara kyonka busawo yabaira akimanyire mu ngoli musirikale nyahika ato musajja byaboina akikadi kyange no yagamba kumba oli musirikale nyamugamba yes I am ngamba but you don't look to be a soldier nyamugamba abasirikale bazoka bata
I know
timanyire bo bazoka bata abasirikale abo kwa nyamugamba
bazoka nkaiwe
yes nyamugamba we are soldiers we are inside here so kimugenda kutuina koragana omuntu wa bulikiro omusirikale tikuligama mbusirikale kuba yombuguba musango buleira bula bataha gamai bayirukaga emisango akiara kangene ntahama buire buno kujja ne baruha ya chairman LC1 na diso basaininge engeso zawe zibaire zita nibo gendo tatwale bigeso byawe bibi
so bakwenda code of conduct your character from the ground
obo buli bamanyagambo amahega tahu abantu batasomere
I know
buire buno tasomere tokutaha mahi
niko nyahulire the list is senior for
bokuba ine papara ya senior for mwije tukole mwije tutaha mahi that combat is good UPDF family is nice
wow you're making these guys feel proud
omuhika mukesoroza mubanga family emu nikyola muliyani mukorakini munyumirwani murakuntu kutere ngaro tukuzina we are happy.
I've seen these guys enjoying life at TikTok aba UPDF nibazina I'm like wow
kana bane kintu bakihanikire abo kubabire bunarana nyo mukuragani ngati jali yantandikire
nawe otandike kuteka mu video bali mu combat at TikTok
wati buliyo ningamba ati ndito tukaikuire abana batoleka ibeje bakole
I was traveling to Kalangala nyaruro muisika kuvuga emera was like what ferry ene nkote ekwasire himbire motoka himbira abantu nyagamba wow
like ferry ito tuina nabana
bakutere mundu kotezo
ebikompole byo
baliyo
abayisiki baina kumanya bine bintu byona tukubikoraga abana bayisiki
tukusobora kuvuga boda tukusobora kutaha mahe tukusobora kuba mu police tukusobora kusike chipsi tukusa kutunde ngoye omulimo guleke kuswaza some people are ashamed of their jobs
I know
that is why they are suffering
no jwara uniform notandika kukuta
no suara batakulora vivi agenda kuseka
tera kurungia nkaito yawe shining teka aka kofira rubata nowe gonza
feel proud of your job
usao ya kugambira ogenda okole
because you are inspiring the young generation
and by the way kimanye buli kyobana
okole ya mu recruitment emu kionka buli mwana mwisika yakande bagana I want to be like that one
I know
by then akasize kakiaro so abana bakusinga bakatato uroli na jana gamba afande nkataha mai habwanka kurora
I know that is so sweet
yes so abayisiki baruge mu Kugaya Emirimo nyoti nsakora bwakilina nyawe nkwenda manya kubanta nibateka ozineno nondaira nibajwale nkaite nkondo nibagenda mu kilabu nibaikara toina gonza siringi 10 ogule chupa ya bia you are just seated waiting for men to buy you beer
you should tell them this by the way
abana bobu
that is why I don't club
you go once in a while me I'll go out when I have money if I don't have money I'll not go out
nyawe kampimbe mundu nketahira amahe musara gwango bugurajaga ningia ATM niteka maka ATM
kandi afande babafunya kasara alijama vivi sikoshi nazana sure na gurengo temtwaro nkasatu
kundorengeri kunyiri
okumuro na mana gamba aboli bakuheye okwenda yo kinatwara out
bakwaka pizza
kakabalega ningamba
kandi pizza ya kabalega resort yo niyo
wewe nintera abakabalega ngamba muri nka ka deliver vivi collection hano
kandi ngira kusima sima obunsima
shtagira
ananyo kusima odi
kuja kusima okay so ni byebyo omahemperereire mu abana my siblings
okay
afande soko simbe hakati yao katusoke tugene break but tugena break nkwana tugaruke tubazeho amahe ogafunire muki kandi tubazeho na business opportunities abana balahero kabana ka sent kao batakumanya ho kutandikira katugaruke.
Discover your home away from home at Kabalega Resorts, Hoima. Located just 4 kilometers from Hoima City on the Hoima-Masindi Road. A real resort in an eco-environment. Nestled near the stunning Albertine Escarpment and historic Mparo Royal Tombs. We are the perfect blend of convenience and charm. Treat yourself to our cozy rooms, mouth-watering meals at the restaurant, and refreshing moments in our outdoor pool. Whether you're here for business or leisure, our conference facilities, camping grounds, and fun-filled kids' playground are ready for you. Escape, relax, reconnect at Kawalega Resorts. Hoima, your adventure starts with us. Book today.
Mwabale yom short break yachege tubairemu mwabale kuba ni mkali naitwa wa Kitara TV. So tukena haba carbs juice kusaba pangisa for all types of functions and for all kinds of juices.
Yes, mwabale mukala break kaitwako ni mkimanya tukunga kulia lunch Kabalega Resort. Of course they have the best chefs around town. Bunyoro, that is Hoima and Masindi. Nka mukikenge kiale tukolege Masindi. We've had buffet cutters of all foods, local dishes and all cutters of sauce. So Kabalega Resort, we thank you so much for always honoring us and always giving us what we want. By the way, Kabalega, we just said today we are eating this in Wakikora, so we literally had a good lunch. Lunch kabekata.
Lunch kaberonge.
Afando okay. Akashuka no wena mukalimo ekintu kyenyini.
Akashoni ko kenyi.
Ekintu kya Kitara girls tuli kintu kya amani.
So nambe tugenege break to again to gya kubaza afande. Otugambire benefits ezo funire mu being a police officer.
No, a UPDF.
A UPDF.
Amahe nkagenda kutaha amahe nkabankimanyire nkabanza kurora family background yange. Namanye naku yange. Obunyata ira amahe nkabanza promising daddy wange nyamugamba daddy ndi kuombekere nje. So obunyafunire keyo kyange kyo kubanza ngenzere ngarukire nyabanza nyayetekereza mu kanyonko omuntu nyagamba bwire buno mfire ge bakunzika nka. Regardless nkyo kirimba ege nyenda kubole kyambo abana bo bwisiki naito tuinakiyo mugaso omwaitu byire bagamba gamanya nkugweta omwana mojo abana bojo ni babo mugaso aisati abo kuba of course nyonya baire head of the family nyagamba ngya kombekera isenyo wenju. So enju nkagiombeka nyagimara. My dad is very happy and is not complaining.
Wow, that is so good. You deserve some hand claps.
Nyagimara sono bhakuba ekintu kiona kitu kiaswara bo kuba abantu kujja kuzikiraho you end up in shame.
I know.
Nogo murana nyirira baitu mugene mulolo mwabongera kuisana.
Abamutu bajja kuzika baida
holi kurungi kyonke kizibu kigwo omwanya omuka.
Bajja kulana nkaza rwanka
kusunga ne batandika kubaza nti na nkaza rwanka murora hana zimba
so. I
know.
Kinyabandize ko ranka banza kuombekera isenyo wenju.
That is so good.
Nyagiombeka nyagimara so.
Kintu kikuru muneko kiongereho amani. Abana bege kukora ni bagaruko ni bagazo omwabu. Abakuba tuba kwetuombekera daddy wa wenju. You know, your dad wouldn't be proud. Or about take an instance that way when Ramonji bidongo, you know yo. But you made your dad proud, Dad. Wow.
Very proud of me. Era bwire buna kanta isura unyafunira omusaje yangamba jali ya gendo swero.
Nemigisangi. I know.
So bwire bunu nkore byange no musajja wange.
I know.
Ekya kabiri obunyakozere ngenzere jini nkagura itaka lyango okwo.
Wow.
Nayombeka yo obuju bwange bupangisa ati obwo obuju bwempangisa bubanka retirement
Yes.
Obunkubandugira omahe mfuna gali nkusaku ye mitwaro 3 oba 40 mwezi.
That is so good.
Okay, tegereza so abantu baleke gamba mbo abana bo bwisikiti babo omugaso. So I encourage all girls, all ladies mwije tukole muleke gaye Emirimo. Nekya kandi no kyafuna omulimo banzo juko mwanya mukali warugire.
Exactly.
Family background matters a lot.
So much.
Gendo yombeke enjwe zawo bunyabandize kireta nka abantu abamba tasemerere bagamba okusise sente manya biki but in actual sense kikaba kirungi abo kuba kaire kakayiko musajja yagamba regardless of your job nkwenda kuswe.
Yes.
kanta ayombekere enju kubaire
wow
abantu bange mukani mugya kuijanka
I know
kanta ina okubaikaliza so tugende tukole amahenga funiremu ebirungi ngombekeiremu isenyo wenju nyombekeremu obuju bwange nguziremu obutaka nzahiremu abana
ofuniremu amaka
I know sente za mahe mfuniremu amaka
bazo teka akati hati nkwendo gambira omwana omwisiki alaheroko akora sente atakusavinga kinu kikumuleka nka experience yawe motivating nawe agarukwemu akobuntu obo enkenga ekumanyambo regardless akatito koina okusobora akasavinga okakurakurana okafuna mu kintu kikota
ekintu kya saving ekyo kintu kikuru muno
okay
hata okurora nyewe mbundi musirikale tifuna sente nyingi muno ezigama mu kufuna sente nyingi muno ezikutimisa baitu hare bibina bya bakaze bebakoze biri nko mukyaro hati nkaite tugire kibina kyaitomuka wallahi kinka bakyara bakyaro bakesoroza bakole kibina abusente obutito buno bunfuna ni haka sente akatito buli wiki saving emitwale 2 nekichweka emitwale 2 nekichweka ngi saving akumara omwaka ini that bobo funire nkekizibu bobo kwenda kutandika akantu katito you call no bagabo ojo cha person nyina mwe kizibu kitina kitimba ini nsaba mu mpole ye mitwaro 10 obe emitwaro 15 ferirwe obe milioni abo kuba atinyo bwire bumazeni saving it's almost 2 years now kusakufuna 1.5 according to the savings I do yes hati akatabuka wako buka kuba nikalibata kikuba nikimanyisa okusakwe hora yakasente okatandika chips okufune mitwaro 10 ha hebiri ha mutwaro kusavinge ini that gukuyambeho nyenkya no kwekurakuraniza baita bana bwisiko bakufune sente tugetu nyebi tugende tukole binebyo tibikombeka kandi emyako kwika akaire myaka neko
emyaka kudraginga
arohe myaka ene yo kuchakara kukora kyota ina bujunanzibwa baitu bwo kwika okazara abano ina kuplaningira abana ngenda kubale kanta abokuwa muntu atakaza iro tagya kuisana nkai wazairo iwe bitekerezo byabo bikubani bitekereza ha mwana wozaire kionkoli no bwakufuna esenta agaba nyonchu mu kujwaro mwezi gunu kontaina kya kuferwa taina kya kurolera
ngire ngombe yo munywani wange wa mutabatala Silvia aboli muhara wangogo agamba nyowe nda family yange ndibasire nayo abo kuba akimanye ko na mutabamba mweto Roland mazire senior 6 so bile mutaina ka stress agenda university alaga manyaboli enda yange ndibasire na family yange ni nyowe because amanye responsibility
tagya kutawo mukaba tange kumugamba mama
kairenka abana tubani kyokulya omukozi akugamba nyowe aboli enda yange ndibasire nayo family yange
ngina buntu boja mami pampati zero
sati omwara wange kubatala nyumira muno
kandi abakazi twege kuba muna kasente mu nsaho it matters a lot bojo fine sente za sajja tukuzenda kionka nayo omukazi wewe ina mwaka sente kawe monsaho muno rubata
omanyira kasente ako muliko kanyuma kali kawe
basa yo no kuikara kusabiriza boje tinka kozere nono omusajja agiye kuiko mukasange nono ziteiroho akasoko kakozera agende kuja gamba ni wono undekere gasi huki baitu no ikaro mukano sihuka to ina lokusa kuiha sente to la hotoya kibina kyo savingamu you just there
kandi nabasajja bakweganya abakaza bataina sente
abatakora
yes abasajja omusajja wena agenda kukwendo ina maka sente ko akasente akawe niko bakubayizire agamba fando omusangire for example samugamba ngenda kusobora nyine million nagamba okay wina million kankuongereho million ndemo mtwara 5 baitu obokubota ina akasente omusajja kukweganya nikyo okura abasajja bakusinga bakubeganya kandi bagenda for working class ladies
kubahagane business nizigwani baichakaramu
ni baina bongo they don't have that mind of development
omusajja agenda ko business gitagia ko yakasato yo kubanze guire yakabire guira kumagambo no mukazi hafunira side chiki na mukolera business na maintaining atanga kama
omusajja bakamuiba
take an example nyowe
bagambye ko omusajja tibamuiba
omusajja tibamuiba agenda yendeze that is Yvonne's word anyway back to me nyowe nkatandika an online business back then yes you are among my first clients even Allen that was 2020 I think online business yange no nyako entali musikimu yiya nkanta kusaba kumara nayo I was online in delivering abantu ne baseka ogwa ku delivering abanyitaga mutembeya look at the person yes you remember that afandi hadi nyoya tembe ya gengo ye this is 2025 I am literally having business in easy
ebiri
so nyako entali mukazi za kuyiya from online to the main or an address. So from another address of Vivi's collection, Hati Vivi's collection is another business called the Style Hub Salon. You understand? So what does this imply? Obuba komsaja kwa ile business. Obo ina nayo katitoko ina. Learn to use your mind and your brain. How do I?
Abanyoro bagamba otalisekereza geki ezingire abokuba tomanyire ekiriruga mu kyezingiro mu so that is Vivian ali yatandikire na bwire buno halali
emyaka erenga
and we should just, I think they are just people
yes just for years
fulinga abantu down imbumanyogo kumurora bamwetaga mutembe ibo bwire buno bayinaki
kandi bara nyowe itaga mutembe apparently I am doing fucking better than you are so hati omubomezi bwensenu tuleke ku despising abantu kandi abayisiki twege ku saving akasente kamati yes tuwege ka multiplying
kandi to supporting
each other because you ko supporting ile Vivi collection won't grow so you guys have really supported Vivi's collection and now you're seeing esele zimtaga nimpa tinye jarabia okameti you know of course once in a while you go and have fun because this this life is short but okay like an example
kala ko gamba eat life like this
exactly thank you she are status zange ngire ngombe gamba mbu eat life because you don't know what tomorrow will bring on your table but it doesn't imply amagoba ga nkozeki ale mitwaro 10 ngena genda nga spending no kandi ye mitwaro 3 saving mitwaro 7
mwana akabagamba oija kulia capital no competing na nyowe
you are fond of daily monthly salary you understand so abayisiki nkwenda kubaza business tips zabana abayisiki ezikusa kuyamba ku sustaining or to earn a living in like in Bunyoro because I am literally around this town ekyo kubanza omwana obuyisiki obukuwina ka center kawe ko muntu whatever the money it is I don't know the amount you have tandika ka business kenkaito oba boutique you can do obukuwina maka center no sako renting am town in kaitwe because hatitu nambere tukusasura rent a millionaires nambere Vivi's collection ahead
that is a year or
yes annually ogo mwaka so mu makuru almost omwezi tusamutwa mtwaro nkaga so wakuba manyire mbu oyinaho rent mtwaro million zawe 5 omwaka oyinaho capital yawe million nka 3 ija main tulepuke obakuba manyire ngo ina million zawe 5 mbomezi bwawe ni hali rent ni hali capital funa karumu ke millionaires ibiti emillion 3 ozikoleki oziteke mu capital the business will grow kandi oratandikire business making sure onywa ina abantu barakumletera kwikaze business egyo bantu nyo tule main because we have friends. These are the people who are making us earn a living. These are the people that have made Vivi's collection succeed and produce the Style Hub. You understand? So obunyuani kintu kikuru obuntu tutuhakaine Vivi nyota musikia ina I might be a bad girl nitabukira customer but the end of the day nyikara ndo tabyange ngamba afandon buli mwezi andete sente ziti but last live yo andete sente ziti kai moniko no buli mwezi andete sente ziti ningamba
na ba customer nabo bokuba kwato walimu aba customer ababihize umuntu omuhozerengo yezawa
na yakusasura yes etanu takusasura
genda kuleta
ezindi yes
kandi abana obwisiki banane mzeyo kwehole engoye abo Vivi kumanyire kaide kugura omuno ninja kandi naito sakwanga bukomanyire nogankwenda genda out obankwenda genda for a date banyesere biki nagena jana kuyengo yezao nazitwara na kuleta sente ezo hata okubomanyire oli akazisubuza kikandi we
aganda obo bunywana babuyisire next time you don't come back to my shop okwehora because okimanyoke ine ibanja mukitabu kiyange ati nyoti ntoka nayo nkuleka if I demand you nkaroko nga kunsasura ninkuleka next time oja kuja no yendo rugoye orara banka oja kutandikira nka
nkumwe ijuka araya baira kunankire
oketegeze bintu afana na yegero bweso baba Kitara girls hati twenka Kitara girls to encouraging abayisiki kora I spoke about the business a boutique and I'm speaking about a business yenkaito okusakwa ne mitwaro ya no bwakuba 3 gendo suburo bukaito I've seen shops in town and ezikusa kusubuzo bukaito oba Kampala tandika online post learn to use your learn to use your social media handles well. Let your social media leka data yotere ha WhatsApp yawe oba hasimu yawe yenkumitano ekuletele mitwale ebi ekuletele mutwalo TikTok we are making money. Take an example nyowe kwena kubagambia truth to be told kuruganya tandikire a show yeno ya the Kitara girls I am doing a little bit. There's some good change in my business. engoye zimukola buli lugoye lunjwa ratio hano abana bakuzigura bakuzitwara and abana yes you guys have really you've really supported my company kitu kikunde kanka mbu Kitara, the Kitara girls, finding young Vivin Kwetuna ka brand, buy to and I'm going to pushing a business young at some point. You understand? So no sangambu or in a datola WhatsApp or could you abantu okora kin.
Commenting useless comments. You're
posting fake things. Get use of your WhatsApp, your social media accounts well. Let the data you've put for 5,000 produce for you produce for you 20k.
20k, yeah.
10k.
Okurora atinka itabafuna salary monthly. It is better ofune some side income. Omanyembo hano ndayaho gano bukarabaka mobile money no bukarabaka abo kubara kibete ebigwa bitaragi. Like ekintu nikimaraga ijabu iro abo salary tekaikire babironka 15 mo.
Nakali mokaire kono manyika kuhwa because that's not a permanent job you're going to rely on.
So nyo vivimba nyenda kuongeza nsonga ya social media yao. Ntingu arokubota ina akasenta kakuma like for example. Get a person, bantu nye nikiwa gama tingu kill that pride. Like for example, get a person, get Vivi. Omuhabuzaru nurugoi rwezingangu, rwe mitwale 5. Go and post that cloth, bakuhabuzaru wezinga mitwaro
mukaga. Oijo wangoru iheyo, omutwaro guliye. Yeah, no problem with you, because na okuyiriba, you know?
Cause aro abantu abanda till like for example, abantu abanda batali so famous on TikTok obake obebi ntunkebi. Go with that person, go and talk to that person. Can I make for you this advice?
Yes.
Obebi ntunkabino, wo la famous obabi kebi ntunkebi. So that intingu, all of our gana kurora that advert on your WhatsApp or TikTok or whatsoever. Haja kugambe, oh, I want that one. Gambe, yeah, it is available. Kani muleke mtime maybe. Omuntu akuja na kugamba.
Na kwabuza ekintu ekyo.
Okakiguranka.
Mugamba okugura muwange.
No mugamba. Nkabigura Kampala, kikaruga heru, kikaruganka.
Eitima, habukokekereza ngo borajyo kanguraho ogya kungayigahaza
mu. Bino byona tubikole tubibaze. Ebintu byona bikwetoroolera kintu kimu. Kyo kubanza kumanya Ruhanga no kwesiga mukama. No kusaba. People have issues with business.
A lot.
I've been to this and I can tell. Amaju osabe. People are bad. Abantu bad.
People are evil. People are wicked.
Ola kuija na kona.
Kandi bunyorenu hoime manyirwenka the highest people. I mean with witchcraft bakabiteka no mahure bunyore.
Utabirona akatumanyira. Tukarogo hatweganyira.
Hai mamunu bakasingira amarogo batunye mu kuroga. Obwira bwo kuroga you people.
Alone barogara arogebwa. You're not alone. Allen, you're not going to bewitch me. I've been on street for 4 years. You think you're going to fucking bewitch my business?
Kiro kimobu nyakozera akagunda akastatus abana batandika kusaba. Yaga mukamorota kure sara zanga. Akiri hure zanyi na nyowe bojo mukazogo kasaba. Akire zage sakangira hagati yao taikire baje akiri zigende ziki.
Vivi, alimba nabana banu bakadama abalahero okwo abaina haka sente kabu bakani bakadama nye babaferaga muno.
Bojo bakufete abana bakusindikira abasajja sente ejitimanyikita.
Abakadama bakatandika omwana akabananyimiza story hano baka surprising omusajja wayi ogenzere hakiyeyo
ogenzere kolera family
Egypt ogenzere kolera family okaleka abana omuka tomanyire bakulya tomanyire bakubyama bata abana bakulekaga kunumanya balekeire nyakanyi manyo balekeire oha kuba miss
obaherekere like okotena bazaire babo kubalinda
abana bogenzere kolerera okwendo garuke babe kurungi no kwate sente zona noziteka mu musajja omusajja bakamusurprisinga yamuteka TikTok omusajja byabone bintu yamugaba bisimula yo bwango
akabamufumbozereke
akabamufumbo
obi bane bine mtu bekweswaza nyobo joka ina kasente kange vipi nyenda kasente kanuraki
akasente kabala omukana yeta akarwani bamugamba mwana yo baroka bamusurprisinga oba irenka omusajja agya kumwabuza bojamo oti
akasente kanika
ebintu bino nakwata eke 10
omulaka sente za kadamu
zibakusindikira abakazi bali kuno nibakwate sente bakani haha bakazi wo muka.
Of course. At the end of the day, this guy has to save his marriage. He has to secure his marriage.
At the end of the day, uja kuja hano tuchuliro musajja kanyiba kamwesente zange yaziba.
Kandi bajuma bamanyirengeri bajuma.
Basabura.
Kibatuchulira kanu bulike tobi.
Nyowe hati nyeki kusagamba abanyakaitu abalahe Saudi Arabia, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, mu EE countries ezo.
Yeah.
Murano okozera kasente kawe ka saving till when you come back. Habwensonga abantu tibakyesigibwa.
Na abantu vivino wa family akudisappointing anosanga kasente omwana kabana achura.
We've seen this.
Agenzera hera akagaruka. Ijwezi just was it in the same akagaruka account ataliyo gonza siringa.
Nyowe nkarora kadama.
Sente bagule plot akazindikira nyinezara akasanga aguzire plot mu mabara gayi omwisiki genda kumugamba tagarukire kutereke kyakani nikozaro kumwesiga.
Obaitu we toina nyoko. Habiki iwo otakusa kwesiga nyoko.
Anto mwana akamuleka mwanyineza.
Nibyebiki.
Vivian kankugambira I saw on the news kadama kasindikira nyina esente ezamazire myaka 2 hakiyeyo akagaruka nyina kaina neki.
Kandi abana bakuchweke kusinga kunduma abana kwikara mu bijoko baharabu emigongo bakuruga yekozereka. Echuwekere.
Sangire mama wawe aziriro genda kumukoraki.
Kandi no nothing. You just need to look at her no mweganyira. Kulinda omusinga nemikiye.
Sente nkairia bulikira TV.
Oba to make matters worse. Onyina kamugamba. Tukazikozesa n'omunyanyo kwatora akora.
Nkabiro rebyo.
Nyowe advise yinko habanyakaitu abalaheru. Mwege ku saving sente zanyu. I am sure that side hali muri oba Abu Dhabi, oba Saudi Arabia, oba Dubai. Hali yo accounts oba banks where you can save your own money.
Vivian bino bakakotwa there is what they call standing orders. Abantu abali ma banks bakikenga. Okuba okimanyire mbolekere kawa blessing ukalekere kakyali katokwenda kasindikire sente. You can make a standing order. A cent of ziraijaga account yawe. Nisigena direct account. Ene yawe no lekota ina wogirekeire. Ili ndato boligaruko kasanga ziri bamazire. Ekyo tukikozesa muno mulita basirikali. Atinko bobano genda ka Somalia.
Egi account ekwikisiba buli muntu weno obe just inyo abasirikali.
Ito halito niko batukora. Kiroka na iwo kusobora akikora. No sarawo mbo atinko zere standing order ya dani. Sente zawezo okuteka account no maya monthly lente kai mitwaro 10. Mitwaro 10 mitwaro 5 nege direct asimu yo haya dani. In that area yawo genda nayo bagwa batagikozesa. Hati zine zikuba zisigaire bazikozesa. Obo oligaruko funeho kutandika.
Kala ka saving asimu account yo tabani wange.
Kali kasiga kali kanu kasigale kanu leka bakali. Of course omwana na wakwende sabuni yakwenda koga.
Tunanisiba bills zirozo kubaketed for.
Abana baitu tukwenda nabo tusange ni banyiri. Baitu kandi to make matters worse. Nabo kuzireka oba.
Tibakubarolera. Abantu sente bakuze okusanga omwana aneneirwe njunza taina buyambi notekereza. Esente oli mu kijo kuchweka. Esente zokusindika zijja.
Hano niho nkutwalira opportunity kusiba sister wange South for USA we.
I saw her by the your sister got married to a white guy.
Abana baine emyaka 2 nekishwekanya gya
abarongo.
Nkagaruka abarongo takusa kumanya mutibaikana mami wa. Era tinyina kintu kione kimwendeza munsi muna apart from all the best. Sente ngeri nyakairekere nkaisange kinyamugamba gakora kinu esende zajaga mobile money yaz receiving ngankezi nkengeri akalera abana na isana akulera abayabaza
hati ebe bikawaho jali yabantu no wawe nyina kugobeza. You understand? Hati nyonko encouraging these girls abali mukiyombe kwa bakadama. Learn to keep your own money. Don't trust anyone. Nyona nyo vivi okurora hanu sabu kugobeza. I am telling you this. Because omwene omunyanyoka kugobeza. Omama wa kugobeza. Ekikakyo na kugobeza. How about me a stranger?
How about a man?
Dere kando go mwana faraka
msaija.
Nyotambiza no bazara. Obo mufere muno. So mwahura ka sente kanyu wamanya.
Bano ba Julius kyo muhendo. Bomuleka ile ATM card.
Mufere mu rugo
akana na swero
mufere iwe kandi iwe
okusanga yegonza siringa 5 ha account ogena kutandika manya sweet hani omanyire tamanya akaichakara muna abaisikiba abana bakusindika sente
baitu bakusindika zaki bahule sente zabu obwire buhike oije orore cyo kwekolera life is blind where who told
life
you
is blind but when it opens your eyes
who told you life me love can never be blind in my life me Vivian. So the girls out there who are in those Arab countries, learn to save your money, keep your money for yourself. when your time reaches, your contract is done, come on ground, get something to do for yourself.
Check the village.
Live trusting human beings. We untrusted.
Lekanko abuze Vivian. Esente bazahura mbank. Waka urayo gendo. Esente tizenda
toko. By the way,
it doesn't want noise. So you banaka sente kawo chule pa. Oisanenka ataka baganako. Nobu kugaruka kadama gonzo ine million zinga account chulira kimu.
By the way, Roman Josephine texting. She's I think Saudi Arabia or Abu Dhabi. Akabanangamba. Akarasho yaitwe enu ya seruzana mangi ya gifuna, she's called Inid. Yangamba kwenda aina million za 15. Yangamba vivi kwenda mpeo business idea nkwenda kuja kora Hoima. So I shared some knowledge, a little bit of experience that I've gone through and some advices. And I think she's coming very soon.
Okwanda orugeyo jokole kitokiteke
omanye sente. Era bokuba no yenda tukoya advise. I can always advise you on a free cost, you understand, because I've been through this experience as a CEO for like 4 years. This is the 5th year. I literally know where the problem is. Apparently, I know a business ekulibatira nkaha, seasoniki, you understand. So I can always give advices to anyone who always wish to come to my inbox and on a free cost.
And learn to learn. Lekani kongambe.
Bege kwega.
Kurora abana bakusindika gasente ezo Viviano bakumaraga kuiria niboni bayijuka omanyire bagamba ogenda kuijuka kwesweka
aya nenerwa henjoka
ati no munya
ati by the way abasajja abantu mirege samugaya ikanantirano sange isimu yange nantere nangamba Vivi nyambo tarugacho tabaliza kintu kino abegena agamba abakazi babatamize toko etoko nyingi Vivi mbayiniki nkubani kyagaruka muka okagamege Vivi please help us and talk about women, our women, our abakazi baitu. We are tired of their too much talking. Toke fokere toko. Omunwa gufokere omunwa. So before we end up this show, I am requested to talk about this.
Baitu omunwa bakubajumira kina yonso.
Omusajja agambira kwana kiyayika muka. Natandika ye lizireira. Ligarukire.
Haroho ensonga habwakibakwa ni bakujuma.
Leka kugambire afande. Nyowe afande no kuba nyine ensobye zinkozere ninyomo mukama makago. You're not entitled kunjuma. Ndinda ngaruke male kugaruka ndiye mpebyo kulyande mtera amaizi nabe nyikale
msitingiru munabana ni
nakiyali kana baneiba kandi nguno rugambo baina ruinga bakazi bo maka bakubaza muno nga musajja gambirege ati haroho neiba waye omukazi agene yamugambo wangoge kyakonkoraga mukisika ngati ngu neiba nali mukwesabiro
omusaiji
hali bintu kweso omusaiji ina okweso maki so abasajja bajwahire toko kandi bakazi nyo kamba gambire by the way abakazi abafumbo you do not know what your men go through when they are at work.
Exactly.
This man wants to make sure you all have something to eat. He's paying your rent. The kids are supposed to be at school. He's supposed to clear your bills.
Aina baganda
exactly. Wait, Linda Ojoy, the camera.
Abasajja bagenda halala obusinga.
Naitwa abakazi obusinga tukubugaba namberi.
Bully.
Okay, tegereze. So back to the men because nyondi abasajja this time around. Omusajja nagambega kandi angambega nyina kibazo ntarugasho ntakibalizo. Yagamba timumanyira bakazi nyo what your men go through when they are out out of your home. Musajja is going through a lot that he cannot even share with you. No yusanga musajja atuzire kiro kiyangire but at the end of the day agaruke na half kenyama okumujuma bujuma half kenyama aliserekaki. You understand? Saba kazi mwega abasajja banyu.
Yakwendo kati bakubatikura no vero.
Kandi alisereka half. Chongo musajja wene garuke ngaru nsamuka. Okugaruka engalo na hubabuhuba at least kafune ka half kenyama kakuota kembuzi baitu no bagarukire na koko mujuma so musajja agamba bakwenda obusinge you guys are inya bakaza bafumbo you're forcing your men to get other women nikyo kusanga obwana bugana gani bwe babasajja banyu ni mututabukira hano ni mugamba we are men snatchers kandi omusajja ivona kagamba
omusajja tibamuiba
titumuiba omusajja agenda halayendeze so nyoma before we conclude my whole point is your men are complaining mu kubajuma mwine bigambo bingi timukubaho businge ali mukiyogero wo ali mukulya wo ali kunaba wo bojo omusajja muhobu singe foka ndo magumu omusajja kale orali mukaza kutoka muno kuwato bakwa izire nikikurume kiniga kuwato tekeyo juice ochuleyo ozimbo omunwa oisanenka atakubaza kandi nkwenda kugambira ate omusajja bamanyire mbo kutoka ati nkono omukazi iba mulinga manyo omukazi akutoka omusajja obaratahamuka omukazi oja kwemanya because I know you must be knowing obaro barayija lero aizire agarukire late obene kyakukozere nkwesengereze nyakaitu nyambo tekama izi mukanwa
Obe pamba.
Oyihule byokulya.
No bitwalenka.
Obimuhe. Buli bikuwayo okamira maizi
gakugenda
yongera yogande kopa kiteke hawo onywe omusajja omuchallenge ngabo kwa buli kira kumanya mukitiko kikara nokoraki lero mu challenge ngo moleke togenda kungana give it a deaf ear you understand abasajja bajwa you are a lot of talking you are a lot of complaining every issue you're complaining
no Vivian kuongeza hawo one thing I know about women ntingo baba tatokereti bahura businge baba balao ni bahule kintu kiboki abo batoke omusajja
Sokole omanye muntu kusokora akakusokora mpaka kakuyihaye kyo nakuyiha
kandi mboti bwanguhire
kandi ati
barugayo
suffering out there
if you feel the marriage is not for the weak get out and get married somewhere
science gamba tingo abakazi
nankona gambire gashumba
get another man until you feel like this is the man who works for you
science gamba tingo abakazi bagira mood swings mumwezi bagira mood swings emirundi ena nyomba ininyenda kubazaho na abasajja katoyito mutansabura so no muransabura ninye mukuma
ebe kusabura naye byabuli kati nyo kugabansabura bakunyaho
omukazi like for example ego fine abakazi nenye mwine bizibu kutoka but arwensonga omukazi ogo natandika kutoka like for example Vivian nsibire kiro kiona cramps zinkarakasire nyetagire from nowhere by the way omukazi ni babali ovulation ayetaga babata atahura mutatokere tahura businge so as a man try to understand your woman
ndakayibona
nyowe kenyini
niwe baro niko yagambire ngena kubimugamba turugira shano ja kundona bimuhabuzi
nawe nyina gya kubiro
kana vinga kishenu bebe wale na vinga muno shenu
wabale kurora umayiwe so mining amount ingu abasajja bamina sometimes mutu understanding kana nya abakazi mugenda musajja ku understanding
what do you mean understanding
Julius kyankulenga okumanyisa kirikini ntingu oba orugira hanu orugire mukanye nkiaka nyagamba you know what honey oba baby oba daddy whatsoever
ndiyo basajja mukubeta daddy ni baba bazaire
tweganye
nyawo musajja ndakuhana daddy
omusajja
onyawadisa kweta muntu wena daddy nina isenyo waliyo mukana nakyali
okudupa afande okudupa maiko mwetaki mudaddy
manye bya hali manye tata bigairi
wacha wewe mwenye nkogamba yes daddy
daddy wabo mweta dad.
Yes, my father is dad, but D-A-D.
But a man
is dad.
D-A-D-D-Y.
Oh, daddy. My father, my biological dad is called D-A-D.
Nyowe daddy wange manyiro omuwenka
yuba. Omanya Julius tuli na modernized world.
Obuhimba chiamanelo.
We are in a modernized world. Tuwa Vivian okimanya ntingu omusajja wakweta mami. Yade nyonta sansa no mwana.
Nirukiregeira. Otakusanga nakweta na kirita taratibu. Mama.
Biro bino abasajja bakatujwa nababa nakyahika ali kuli iwe mama Abigaili no gabo janga wange
ate ogona talina nge sinyo wati nkwesegenda nka irumba nkweza lyekikaki owanyu tomanya kunyeta
ibara lyokuzika
nkweta irumba onyetala mama Abigaili kikito kusa kunyeta hempa ko bajabo
so
abasajja nabaikakai ni bajwa abi abakazi mami bibahani
abakazi abaloma koko bantu inywe try to understand your men
Bambi.
It is not easy. This economy is very hard.
And the men are fighting so hard to take care of their women.
It's not easy, yeah. Kani nya bakazi muba mulinka like mbiro byanyu mwenda kulya kurungi biki.
No, bitali biro. Allen, you're not going to buy me meat when I'm in my place. Come on, you're supposed to buy me meat. If it's a weekend, let it be every weekend.
Nyowe mbampiezi tinyenda kulya nyama.
Mukama isenyoni ndi akubi.
Okyetegereza.
No bunyiziro mwawe ndi akubi. Nkagenda kuruga kule njya isenyo nkagirekaho. Nyeija ningirora nyaja kuswerwa mwawo ninyenda obusinge kundolera kumpamparinge bya isenyo watakoze.
Nyoni kinyagambira omusayija nagya kunswera. Nyamugamba you want to marry me but onsangira omwaitu nindara munju ina mutels ningena mutoyi eri munju
flashing
I am using kusiba towel from my bedroom to the washrooms so you're not going to take me in the house mbujina kuturuka nina kwesibe towel nturuka here because my parents
toilet eri kulira bathroom no
because my parents have really fought hard to get a good future for me
so in short ntingu aba
na Carolina kia inakora nikiekyo so nyowe toja kunye papa likauta kunsobora you're supposed to do what I want
so ekiavivi anakulenga kumanyisa ntingu
n'abasajja bagenda n'okusobora.
To avoid these things, women are gold diggers, women are
we are not gold diggers, can't tubayiba. We don't even kubatera obuteyimba kuba ya musente.
Masajja bazuwa bagonde.
Ebisajja bimagana na kwa sente n'ozira no mala kuzira niteke zangu. Ogwanteera oluseke. Nyazi kusika munsa.
Ate kigambo ky'oluseke ekyo haya kirekera nakyo mukibazo.
Enseke nja kuzibateera muno. Abo ko ngwanta kuteera kateyimba kuyamu ekikumye eki. Wakwata sente bazinteera simo no bazimpa kuba you want me. Tinyira kaseke nkuteyiri.
Kuteera gabasajja.
Kandi tukiasibateera kimweseke.
Hoima bayisikiba hoima Julius bakuteera abantu oluseke. Oluseke oluli mutawuna.
Leka tuzibateere tubakolereki. Anyway, winding up the show, what is do you have any idea, Afande,
about
anything before we end up the show, or you can say hello to your family, say greetings to your man. By the way, mbanyeberwe, are business endi. Your man obusikira kusakora mutawuni kandi abantu abagika imwe bakora sente. You know Sylvia mama struggle batala aboli. Omusikio na ikale mubara for some years. And she has literally achieved something. So nyowe nkusa kugamba mwana wisiki kadama la hero ko okwende business ekusa kuleta 10 buli kilo. Apart from it aba boutique you may not sell every day.
Bagamba
but
muntu barata raranja.
Yes nikyo ngamba. Abo kuba tugenda kujwara abantu bagenda kukora aba boutique muntu takujwara buli kilo.
Ali mwa kugamba nyowe tinsa kurara mu kamu.
Yes. So I think Sylvia Batala Boli hala front line take into care freshman every day. What do I mean? What do I mean? Omusiko ko la hero akadama and you want to do a business ekusa kuletera buli kile 10 mu nsaho stock etabiyamiro betagagire. You can do a bar. You know, okusa kutunda noba kutunde kureti yawe moka ya magoba go hiroho. You know no manyambo bomezi bukoraki. So abaisikia bala here if you want something a business ekusa kutaiza a cent and you feel comfortable with it, especially which location. Eba is a good business and a restaurant. Abako abantu kulya buli kiro to kunywa. So kusangola gamba okimanyiro abantu bale mwakulya bati nagamba kanywe.
Bojo kugambiro yaganyo tinsa kubya
gamba nkimanyire fees ziliyo zikusasurwa bati tunanyonyi na kunywa make.
Okay tegesa aka business
by the way Vivian kankugambira mutagana gamba taina sent. Geno mubarorole ngabantu baine sent.
Abantu bali mubaraba kunywa bati kuna economy kutumiga mega.
Muli bana kunywenka abantu baine sent.
Elenda kugichuliro mwawe utakaturukiro mwawe cyali utaje umange kutulira
ina. Ora ebizibu byawe na kugichuliro mwawe mukabaito bora turuka munju teka akasima.
Okay, tegereze kintu.
So Afande nanka tumira abantu bawe oraga abantu to winding up the show. Abakobule tukwasi.
Twaro mugisagunu. Kuramki aho dadi wange Mbaka Rimu Aboki. Chairman LC1 Uhimba Central Cell. Kuramki aho mami wange Aboli, Sande Hadiji Aboli, kugonza muno. Kuramki aho mwami wange. BM. Ibafanze. Okay, that's Abigail. Yes. So, nkuramuki aba brother bange Bashiri, my sisters, Sylvia Batala Boli. Nyana banywani bange hali mukalimbara mukizoho Jojo muri bayingi tinkusa kumarayo muhomo. Ate shenu no winding up iwe nkomana obwisiki akantu kiko kusa kugambira iwe musiki abaira Kitara girls nkwendo gambire mwana obwisiki ka advice kama utakatugira mukutuhana. Abana babwisiki mwegekora. Okay. Kandi mukole na amani. Okay. Mwegonze nkawataliyo nyenkia. Borabo funiro mulimo gwokora kora. Kandi tuina kumanya mbu ebintu bitwina kora tuina kuika emyaka tubetakia sobora kubikora. So plan for your retirement early. Okay. Moikalo manyembo hatindi 35 nyina kufuna omusaija nyikale. Busa muntu atenda kuswerwa Vivian.
Kino yade ni mwepanga.
Yes, yade ni mwepanga mbusinga manyako andi content.
Single mother.
Oika kusindika kisika pai. Oina kufuna kandi omwana gambege kiyo kuboku aside pai.
Nyweza go kute. Goba. So mumakuru buli muntu akwenda taito ya mkera gundi. Songa nkuru muno no mwana wawe kuba kuzira akiara abantu bakatandika gamba muharawa nangaka atakuswerwa nakyo tikiri. Kuika akaire ntwikiriza obuyaye no burugamu. Yeah. So mukole na amani buli muntu afune kiyokora home saving. Trolembu Uganda genzere mais.
So ntumaliriza tukena aba cabs juice around town for all kinds of juices and all kinds of functions. Number yabu yesime 0781 43 8466 na Airtel 0704 15 32 30. Located Hoima Central Market. Okay. Haduka L2 R07.
Okay, nkaba bagambira ali kabuzi mukumsaka kumusanga Central Market nyonga kubayijukiza aba sponsors baita bakabalega resort Hoima Masindi. I'm not forgetting Kialeka Sabitu kole akabalega resort Masindi. Tunayo live band orweba getanika saha 2. Nekanga saha 4. So abantu aba Masindi muteba kuja Kialetu balinzira akabalega resort Masindi haba live band. Nimbayijukiza aba akabalega resort Hoima ibiro byokwezi bigenda kuba mukaga ogumwezi ogwakana. Tunayo live band and Zumba. So mujumbire mu bwingi if you want to make appointments and requirements and you want to make appointments, do you want to do any bookings with Kabalega Resort Hoima kusaba kubahikira 0393193860. Then aba Masindi nambere tulikiya lero kya sabiti kinu okusaba kubahikira 0392 09 then 00 niyo kusaba kubasanga baterero bahikire for better services. Ntaka kingire shenu nkwenda kusima Brian Kawoyo adiero mulodi mukamasite omanyire ono kintu kino akitere mu amani mukutula kabalega hanu omusajja go atuvugirege ijo yatuleta so mu bintu bya transport nambere tukuba tuli adiero goni wakina mu mukono so adieri Kawoyo Brian mukama meya atagambwa aho mu bito tukusima muno kandi byone byokora ito Kitara Girls webale muno kutugonza kandi tukiyasimira muno era tujukiza abantu bakwakaruru nyongi agenda by the ground kusabira diera karuru because ekintu ikyo
naiwe byawe nkabihura manya byamaze manyire tukangana
so kwa simba
so muteba ku subscribinga ku likinga mu ku sharinga yeah so until next Sunday
bye. Thank you for loving us.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.